Hi, once again, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I would like to show you how you can earn $3 to $5 every 60 seconds from this new website I'm going to show you right now. But yeah, you can ask me, hi, hey, Jazz, this is very little money, $3 to $5, but it adds up really quick. If you work regularly, the money will grow. But if you stick together, I will show you some great way by which you can increase it a lot. But before that, this is Dash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. So, okay, let's dig into the method. I'm going to show you the new website. It's not like new, it's operating from very few years, but you may know it or you may not. But this is the website. The website I'm showing about is enrollapp.com. Enrollapp.com. It's a great website. It's a survey related website, but this is a little different than other survey sites out there. They On other websites, survey sites, you have to fill a long forms, page after page. You have to spend 30 minutes, even 1 hour to fill up those surveys and get money. Or some surveys are paid surveys. You have to use your credit cards or payment for that. But on this website, Enroll app, you do not have to pay anything. This is completely free, and this is completely easy to do. They just give you some questions and you have to answer it regularly and you are good to go with them. So they are saying that they let's make the web a better place because they are collecting people's thoughts, people's decisions about many things, people's lives, people's lifestyle, people's health, people's profession, everything. They are If they are getting those information and making a huge impact on the internet world, so they can use those database to research further to make a better place, the web a better place. So anyway, all you have to do is just move on to enrollapp.com, and here you can see that they have a sign up process here right away in the home page. And see the process here, be the first, see what real companies are working on right now and let them know what you think. You will be the first to get sneak peek behind the screen. See, companies are going to are working behind them and providing you some questions, and you are participating to their surveys, and this is it. You are making money for taking test from anywhere in the world. It's addicted to your phone, your tablet. Fear not, you can take user test on any device, phones, tablets, desktop, whatever you prefer. Those companies going to test their website, their apps, their service by using you, and you are going to participate to them, and you are making earning rewards from those participation. And time to time they're going to provide you some bonus as well, and all is by using PayPal. So you have to have some a PayPal account for working in here. If you're not in a PayPal supported country, so sorry, this method is not for you, but you have to have PayPal for to get reward from this website. So if you click on register, then this page will show up, and registration is a very easy way here. Just input your sign up, your email and your password, and just check those terms and conditions link and click on enroll now, and you are enrolled already. no problem with that. But the thing is, on the next step, they are going to send you a confirmation email to your email address, and you have to open your email address and click that confirmation button that they have sent to you, and then they're going to go to some they are going to get you back into their website, where they're going to ask you some questions, basic questions about you, like your full name, first name, your profession, your interest, your hobbies, your everyday lifestyle, and some easy questions of you to make a better profile so that they can present it to various companies that are going to give you tasks to perform. And this is really awesome. That's it. You are enrolled. You're doing great, and then it will show your dashboard like this. This is my new account, and that is why everything is zero out here. But the thing is, this website it performs the operation like a mission based. When you log into your dashboard, you can see that you are in a mission here. You are in a mission. Your mission progress is zero here. So when you progress your mission, this little cow will go from left to right to this stage, and this mission will, when the cow reach the end of in the right side, and this mission is over, you will promote it to your next mission. And when you complete a mission, you're going to get some reward points, and as well as some bonus cash as well. So this is really important for you to complete missions regularly, so that there is a better chance to get tasks from various companies to your devices. So if you want to earn, I have some tips that you have to follow to increase your earnings here. And before that, if you have not liked this video yet, please go down below, press the like button, and if you are not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. So let's move on to the next stage, and which is when you complete the missions. When you complete the missions, your progress will see in the achievement section of the site, and where you can see how many badges. When you complete a mission, you will get a badge here. And more mission you complete, more badge will unlock, and you will have more earning opportunity in future. So the thing is, you work regularly here. The thing is, you have to log in daily to this website and do some simple tasks. Let me show you in the dashboard. You can see that if you scroll down below, you have some polls option here. Polls are really great things that is going to be used by companies to provide you various tasks to pay you. So these are simple questions from you to you, like your family, like your profession, like this. If I for example, do you have a close family member in the United States military? If you have, you click yes. If you're not, you click no. Then that's it. You just make sure you answer your questions truthfully. You have to exactly, you cannot just click randomly and move on. You won't get tasks from the way like that. You have to read the questions, answer it properly, truthfully, so that they can verify. Because they will, if you log in daily and answer questions daily, they are going to send you same questions in a different way to you, to verify that you are reading those answers properly, those questions properly, and answering them truthfully or not. If you are not, then there is a lower chance to get accepted by companies to get a task. So be careful to answering these questions, and these questions will repeat day by day. Some questions will repeat, and if you are not honest enough, then definitely you will do some mistakes, and that's not accepted. This is the secret behind it. So log in daily, read the questions carefully, answer it honestly, not just click randomly yes no, and that's not going to work here. Do you purchase various souvenir while you are on vacation? Yes, I do. That is it. So like that, you're going to get many more questions, and you have to answer it regularly so that you can build your profile. All the questions, these are not random questions, because Enroll app will track every other questions. When you click here in the user menu, and when you see the poll questions option here, when you click the poll question options here, this page will show up, and see, it will showing you the questions you have answered, and if by any mistake you answered a questions in a wrong manner, or you want to edit it, you can also edit it here. This is why I'm talking about, this is very important to be honest answering questions that are provided to you. If you're not honest enough, you won't get any task from them. More questions you answer, more you will improve a lot. Your progress will move on to the next level day by day, and you will unlock more badges, and you will get more bonus money, as well as every day you will get tasks from various companies to test their website, apps, and many more things. Now, on the second tips or tricks that I'm going to show you, that when you move on to this page, just click on test preferences, and this page will show up. They are telling you that let's make sure all of your profile settings are up to date. As a reminder, your responses to these questions will be kept private. They will promote you to those companies. Those companies will not see your answers. Enroll app will verify how you answered, and then choose if you are qualified to perform those companies' tasks and tests. That is very important. So the tips I'm going to show you, that if you see in the device section, you see the three options: mobile, tablet, and desktops. You click it, and it's selected. Make sure you click three of them to get more tasks from much more companies, and there are better chance to you get approved by many companies, as you can test their apps on mobile, tablet, or desktop. And nowadays everybody has these three devices. So in the right below, in the testing availability section, make sure you select send me test as soon as possible. Not send me test during specific time. That's not going to work. You must select send me test as soon as possible, so that whenever a task comes up, you perform it, you get into it and perform the task. This is very important. This is a better there is a better chance that you will get accepted more to those companies. And in the right below, in the notification section, you can see that send me an email when I qualify for a test. Or also, even you can select you can enable phone SMS notification by validating your phone number here, so that you do not miss any test that comes up right away. And let me remind you one thing, is that when a task comes up, it expires very soon. Peoples all around the world are performing this task. So if you are late to respond to those task emails or notifications, then you're not going to get that task. That is very important. So whenever a task pops up, whenever they sends you an email about that you have a task to perform, just go right away and perform that task. It just takes 1 minute. That is why I told you that you are making money for 60 seconds for your work. This is very good money making opportunity for you. When you move on to the financial sections, this page will show, and it will show the progress of you and the payout date, and see their minimum payout is only $1. So this is really great. You can earn much more than that in every minute of your work here, and you will get timely payment, and this is a guarantee that these sites pays out. There are lots of payments proof out there that Enrolab is paying regularly without any delay. So all these are the tips. You have to log in daily and answer as much questions as possible to build your profile and complete much more missions and get more badges, and badges counter will show your badges here, and points will show how many points you collected, and on basis of those badges and points and answering honestly, Enrolab will ensure you that you get better task and much more task than other users who are not performing regularly, who are not login daily, and who do not answer the questions honestly. So guys, this is it. This is the method, but as always I say, you have to be active and money will follow you. If you're not active, then you don't earn money. So this is it. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe below, and see you later. Thanks for watching.